Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best news wires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Friday morning, September 13th, 2024, and we have a great mix of health, fitness, and wellness headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Assisted living, what you need to know before you make a decision. Will I have help with practical things, asks best-selling author Frances Fuller. Frances Fuller, best-selling author, recently discussed the practical help provided in assisted living facilities for seniors. She highlighted the importance of knowing what services are available before making the move. From housekeeping services to transportation for errands and medical appointments, Frances shared her personal experience living in such a facility. Her book, Helping Yourself Grow Old: Things I Said to Myself When I Was Almost 90, offers a unique and personal perspective on aging, addressing common issues with honesty and humor. Readers have praised the book for its wisdom and relatability. For those considering assisted living or interested in the aging process, Frances' book serves as a valuable resource. Group discussion questions are available on her website for further exploration.
Media Bullying, A Call for Respect and Protection for Individuals with Special Needs by best-selling author Jody Sharpe. Bullying can have serious effects on mental health, especially for young people. Best-selling author Jody Sharpe recently addressed media bullying towards a 17-year-old boy with special needs. Sharpe, who spent 25 years teaching children with disabilities, emphasized the importance of respect and protection for individuals with special needs. She received an honorable mention in the 2024 National Federation of Press Women's Professional Communication Contest for her novel Summer of Angels. Sharpe's books, including To Catch an Angel and The Angel's Daughter, explore themes of angels, psychic abilities, and overcoming challenges. Sharpe also shares real-life angel encounters on her website and YouTube channel. She hopes to collect more angel stories from the public. For more information, visit jodysharpe.com. Sisters in Birth launches a new documentary film on the bodies of Black women. Sisters in Birth, Inc. has launched a new documentary film titled On the Bodies of Black Women, directed by Getty Israel. The film delves into the U.S. healthcare system's practice of unnecessary cesarean deliveries on Black mothers, highlighting the risks and complications involved. In Mississippi, cesarean deliveries account for 39% of births, with the healthcare system earning over $224 million in 2022. Sisters in Birth aims to raise awareness about this issue and advocate for the expansion of freestanding birth centers to improve access to midwifery care. This documentary serves as a call to action to address the healthcare crisis affecting Black mothers in the U.S.
Clene, CLNN, presents recent achievements at H.C. Wainwright Conference. Clene, listed on NASDAQ as CLNN, recently presented its latest achievements at the H.C. Wainwright 26th Annual Global Investment Conference. The conference, held online and in person from September 9 to 11, featured Clene management giving a virtual presentation on the company's recent results and advancements. Their lead drug candidate, CNM-Au8, has demonstrated the ability to restore and protect neurological function, offering hope to patients with neurodegenerative conditions. Clene is currently working towards FDA approval to file a new drug application for CNM-Au8, specifically for the treatment of ALS using the accelerated approval pathway. As a late clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, Clene is dedicated to improving mitochondrial health and protecting neuronal function to combat diseases like ALS and MS.
The hidden costs of wisdom teeth extraction and how one innovative company aims to eliminate them. Each year, millions of Americans undergo the painful and often expensive process of wisdom teeth removal, with over 10 million extractions annually in the U.S. This procedure not only burdens individuals and the healthcare system financially, but also leads to significant productivity loss. TriAgenics 03 Tooth Bud Ablation (TBA) technology offers a preventative approach for children ages 6 to 12, potentially eliminating the need for future extractions. Compared to traditional methods, 03 TBA is less expensive, less risky, and promises better long-term outcomes. With a 100% success rate in animal trials and FDA clearance in sight, TriAgenics aims to revolutionize dental care and address the strong demand for a more cost-effective solution to wisdom teeth management.
Transforming cancer therapy stocks to watch in the oncology sector. In the oncology sector, the relentless drive for innovation is reshaping cancer treatment. OS Therapies, Inc. is gaining attention for its cutting-edge approaches to treating osteosarcoma and solid tumors through immunotherapy and ADC platforms. Their lead asset, OST HER2, aims to prevent metastasis and increase overall survival in osteosarcoma patients. OS Therapies' TDC platform, utilizing pH-sensitive silicon-based linkers, shows promise in enhancing ADC efficacy. With strategic collaborations and industry recognition, OS Therapies is well-positioned in the expanding oncology market. Actinium Pharmaceuticals is developing targeted radiotherapies for blood cancers, while Corbus Pharmaceuticals is advancing precision oncology with CRB-701. Puma Biotechnology focuses on enhancing cancer care with innovative treatments like Nerlynx and alisertib. With strong financial standings and promising advancements, these companies represent compelling opportunities in the biotech sector.
Aclarion provides corporate update on Nociscan AI technology milestones. Aclarion, Inc. provided a corporate update on Nociscan AI technology milestones, highlighting successful achievements like peer-reviewed publications, commercial agreements, and payer coverage decisions. With over $50 million invested in the Aclarion AI platform, the company is making strides in identifying painful discs. The technology is protected by numerous patents, and 3 of the 4 largest private insurance payers in the UK now cover Nociscan. Aclarion has partnered with 10 prominent surgeons to gain traction and reimbursement in the U.S. The company is focused on driving payer coverage by partnering with key opinion leader physicians and expanding access to more KOLs. Aclarion's strategic partnership with ATEC aims to leverage pre-surgical data for better outcomes. The company has also executed multiple commercial agreements to provide access to Nociscan in key markets. Stay tuned for upcoming peer-reviewed publications, commercial agreements, and positive payer coverage decisions.
Transforming oncology, stocks to watch in the oncology sector. In the rapidly evolving field of oncology, companies like OS Therapies, Inc., Actinium Pharmaceuticals, Inc., Corbus Pharmaceuticals Holdings, Inc., and Puma Biotechnology, Inc. are leading the charge with innovative approaches to cancer treatment. OS Therapies is gaining attention for its cutting-edge immunotherapy and antibody-drug conjugate platforms, while Actinium Pharmaceuticals focuses on targeted radiotherapies for blood cancers. Corbus Pharmaceuticals is making strides with its next-generation antibody-drug conjugate, CRB-701, showing promising results in urothelial and cervical cancer. Puma Biotechnology continues to develop treatments like neratinib and alisertib for HER2-positive breast cancer and small cell lung cancer. With strong financial positions and promising pipelines, these companies are ones to watch in the biotech sector.
Coordinated care important for children with Down syndrome and congenital heart disease. A coordinated, multidisciplinary healthcare team is crucial for children with trisomy 21 or Down syndrome and congenital heart disease, as per a new scientific statement from the American Heart Association. Down syndrome, the most common chromosome abnormality, affects approximately 5,300 infants in the U.S. annually, with 35 to 50% also having congenital heart disease. Improved medical interventions have significantly increased survival rates, with over 97% of children expected to reach adulthood. Children with these conditions face various challenges, including feeding problems, respiratory issues, and psychological conditions. Care coordination, including therapies and a supportive medical home, is vital for enhancing outcomes. The transition to adulthood requires assessment and support for independence. Future research is needed to reduce the burden of these conditions and improve quality of life for affected children.
Charlotte's trusted dentist for families, Point Family Dentistry, expands services to meet the needs of every patient. Point Family Dentistry in Charlotte has expanded its services to provide comprehensive care for patients of all ages. Dr. Sarasaro highlighted the practice's commitment to personalized care, offering everything from routine cleanings to advanced procedures like crowns and oral surgery. By providing a full range of dental treatments under one roof, Point Family Dentistry aims to be a one-stop solution for all dental needs in Charlotte. The practice emphasizes the importance of regular dental visits in maintaining optimal oral health and welcomes new patients to experience their compassionate dental care.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.